All right, construction pros. Today I'm diving into the productivity ratios that can unlock efficiency in your projects right here in the Philippines. First up, let's talk about when it comes to common excavation, using hand tools takes about 6.0 man-hours per cubic meter. But if you're using machinery, it drastically reduces to just 0.5 man-hours. Rock excavation is a bit tougher, clocking in at 8.0 man-hours per cubic meter, and hauling spoils takes 1.0 man-hours. Next, doing it by hand requires 5 man-hours per cubic meter. With machinery, you're looking at 2 man-hours. For hand tools, take another 6.0 man-hours per cubic meter, and machinery again slashes that to 0.5 man-hours. Varies drastically depending on the material. Common earth takes 8.0 man-hours, but it can drop to 1.31 for loam or sand, 1.64 for clay or heavy soil, and 2.63 for rock. Switching to common earth takes 6.67 man-hours per cubic meter, while rock with a jackhammer jumps up to 16.67 man-hours. When it comes to if you're doing it manually, it's 0.82 man-hours per cubic meter, but for gravel fill, it's a hefty 5.0 man-hours. Moving to manual labor from 0 to 2 meters depth takes 1.25 man-hours per linear meter. This increases with depth. 2 to 3 meters is 1.67, 3 to 4 meters is 2.5, and 4 to 5 meters is 3.33. For undergrowth and trees is relatively quick at 0.05 man-hours per linear meter. Clearing shrubs is even faster at 0.03 man-hours per square meter. For using a crane and clamshell with 8 men and 2 carpenters, it's 1.07 man-hours per cubic meter. On to roofing metallic takes 0.97 man-hours per square meter, while non-metallic takes 1.51. Siding follows a similar trend. In grade members like formworks take 2.54 man-hours per square meter. Concreting is 8.54 per cubic meter, and rebar takes 0.07 per kilogram. For suspended members, the times increase. Has its own set of times, 5 man-hours per cubic meter for slab on fill, and a whopping 25 for slip form. Are generally consistent with ground floor installation at 0.07 man-hours per cubic meter and upper floors at 0.08. Formworks installation varies based on what you're forming. Walls on ground take 2.0 man-hours per square meter, but beams go up to 3.08. Like doors and windows have their own times too. Wooden doors take 2.37 man-hours per square meter, but steel doors jump to 7.64. Involve both fabrication and erection, with light fabrication taking 130 man-hours per metric ton, and heavy fabrication taking 60, 90. Erection times vary similarly. Have a range too. For example, 4 concrete hollow blocks take 10 square meters per day for laying. To wrap it up, understanding these productivity ratios can massively boost your efficiency on site. Stay sharp and keep building better. Catch you next time.